Hi there, thanks for watching. Today we're going to set up an Ionic environment and we're going to do that for Ionic 4. It is in beta right now, but it is the newest release and it's almost out. It's almost out of beta. What we're going to do is we're opening a new window and we're going to the website ionic.com. Once we're there, we are going to developers and we go to UI components, and here at the top it says try Ionic 4 beta. Then we click on installation, and here we have the installation process. Okay, first off we need npm. To get npm we have to go to npm, not npm, to node.js.org, and then we're going to download the recommended for users. Just click here, it will download the program, and you have to take a few steps to install it. And once it's installed, we're going back to the previous window. Okay, nice. Let's say it's installed now. I already have it on my computer, so I won't do it again. Now go to the search bar and type terminal to open the terminal. If you're on Windows, you want to open the command prompt. Okay, here we have the terminal, and now we're going to use npm. With downloading Node, we also got npm, so that's two birds with one rock. Okay, now let's start installing Ionic. If you're on Windows, just type npm install g-ionic to install it globally. But if you're on a Mac like me, then you have to type sudo before it, and then type your password and run. It will take a few seconds. Let's say 6 seconds was the last time. Yeah, around 6 seconds. Okay. Now it is installed. What we're going to do now is start, just start a new basic project. And to do that, we first need to make a folder. So we go into the desktop. By typing cd and on desktop, I misspelled it here. Okay, and once we're there, we're going to make a directory. We make it with mk there, so make a directory, and then tutorial. And now it's made. Now we go into this directory by typing it. You do not have to type all of it, you can just type a bit of it and then press a tab, but you have to do it like this. So dot slash and then okay. Now we're inside it, and now we're inside the folder. We're going to copy this one over here, and we're going to use it. Ionic start my app tab, and then type Angular. And why that is, I won't bother you with that for now, but I will explain it later, in a later tutorial, if it's information that is required. Okay, but what is required is we type tab here, over here, and we can also type other things. If we type blank, we get a blank app. Tabs, we get tabs at the bottom. And if we say side menu, we'll get a menu at the side. So that's handy to know. Okay, just paste it in and hit enter. It asks us to if we want Cordova. Yes, we want Cordova. Cordova makes sure that we can use all the features of a mobile phone. So just like a native app. So it's very important that you always install Cordova if you want to, to deploy it to the stores eventually, or just use features of the phone. You want free Ionic Pro? No, we don't. And it's done. Okay, then we go into my app. So now we're in our app, and then we're going to launch it. And if everything went well, then we can just launch it in the browser. Dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. I think my internet is bad. Yes, here we have it. 3 tabs, just like we wanted. Great. Okay, one other thing, we can also launch it in a different view with lab. Ionic Serve lab. When you do that, it will ask you if you want to install it. Yes, we want it. And then you can see a more natural view of the app, because like we see now, it's in a total browser. And this is, yeah, a nice design. You can view it how it looks for Android. You can view it how it looks for iOS. It just looks much better. And you have the links to the components and the API and everything. Now, I hope you learned a lot. Please hit the subscribe button if you liked it. Leave a like, and in the next episode we're going to explain how to set up your code editor.